we're building the house for 16 agencies, so there's obviously a lot of people interested with their own priorities and requirements, and trying to juggle that down into one strong statement through to the construction management team and to the builders themselves, and ensuring that they are getting the information they need at the right time. That's certainly a challenge, but with the project management structure that we have in place, we're able to very clearly bring the issues on the table and deal with them with the right parties to get the answers through to the people who need them in the right time. We have the green design for the building that has a number of green features, very good green features. However, to make a green building, it needs to be constructed in a sustainable way and operated also in a sustainable way. So now in the construction phase, we're looking at the elements where we can reduce waste, where we can recycle elements and cut down on harmful product that we put into the building. So our first stage in that we're recycling the building itself. We're keeping the existing structure, the reinforced concrete columns and floor slabs, and we're recycling all of the bricks that we're taking out of that building. We're putting that back into areas of the landscaping where we need fill and around the grounds and for the concrete mix. The contractor needs to implement a waste management plan for all of the elements on site. The waste that's been taken out of the old building and new waste that may be generated by construction of the new parts. The materials need to be separated out, need to be taken into hazardous and non-hazardous items and dealt with off-site accordingly to that. We've got specifications for low impact paints and materials going in so that we have a sustainable climate indoors that's there. And with regards to materials and product that are coming in, with specifications regarding the packaging that's there, so that's much less packaging around there, so we're producing less waste in our processes.